Good afternoon. It is a very beautiful day here in Sambungan. Just 3 hours off the Bolop. Yep, I am here in the city of Sambungan. Welcome to Sambungan, guys. Here by Monday. This is the village here in Monday. Today in this video, I'm going to be going to the mountain, guys, and this is a place to enjoy. I am here on the land of my best friend that stays here with his girlfriend and his baby. And yes, and we're all going to go to the mountain. I want you guys to catch up with me. We're going to be going in this car. We're going to one over there. That one over there is giving a bit of problem at the moment. So we are going to try and take this one. But I think I would advise him to take that one. It will angle the mountain a lot better than these wheels. But don't forget to always like, subscribe, share this video, tell another friend to tell another friend. Thank you so much, and let us get into this video. Yes, guys, so we are finally on the journey now. Let's go to the mountain. The driver today is Christopher.
Yeah, it's called Campodos.
Bye-bye. Take care. Campodos.
Let's go to Campodos.
Okay, guys, we are going to Campodos.
It's dying super hot here in the Monday.
Yes, and once we get to the mountain.
Campodos is the high mountain. That's why it's very cold. It's Musmore, the water.
And that's tire pressure as well.
Yes.
Tire pressure as well.
Yes, it's it.
For some reason it's come up with the tire pressure. I'm going to check that when we get there.
Yes.
Also I can give car wash there because it's cooler. And I have all my set washing. And we're going to go even much higher. There's nothing. We're not even halfway. You want to stop? I can stop in the next corner. Yeah, you can still get a view from the side.
Yeah, okay, there's a sorcerer story.
Yeah, which is very far. Now you agree, it's not close. We're very far from our house.
Really?
Yeah.
Car is there? There's no way the car is going to make this. The car is not going to make this.
That's not easy how they're riding these bikes. I
Yeah.
don't know how they do it. The bike's not even that great. I feel like they're going to fall.
Well, they won't fall. They're used to this.
I would. Probably. If I had some
Yes, guys, so we're still on the journey to the mountain. So here, look, we all have to walk.
an hour to go. I just keep saying that because I know it's going on.
Yeah, it's a long walk, guys, you know. We've been walking so far
What's the time on your
around
on your
15
phone
minutes.
now? Tell me the time exactly now, the real time. And then we're going to look at the time when we arrive.
Yeah, so it's a long walk, Chris, is it?
1 hour.
Yeah, so it's a long walk, isn't it?
Yes. Easily. Easily have an hour or more.
That's bad news.
Of course it is. She's going to keep telling you it's not, but I know.
So we're not going to reach until night then, guys. So when it get dark, we reach the top.
What time is it now, sir?
I have no idea.
Babe, what time is it? Okay. We're going to be there at 4 p.m. Remember I tell you that. Remember that, what I said now.
Wow.
And I'm going to try to be faster. I'm not even going to stop to waste time.
What time, Dad?
4 p.m.
Huh?
We'll be there at 4 p.m.
So
So it means total is 2 hours. Because we've done 45 minutes already.
Very good. Is it
1 hour
45?
from the barracks, 1 hour from the car.
Yeah.
Good luck to us.
Yeah.
It's not a joke. This is actually very cheap. This definitely will not, my car won't make this. 100% won't. No chance. The cars are just... What the fuck?
Call him Shamey.
Okay, if you took that out, would it still do that?
Yes,
Always?
yes.
It's not killing it?
It's killing it, but if you, as long as you plant it back in the ground after, so it can catch root again, then it's okay. Oh yeah. For the rest of the journey. Yes.
I'll give him 500 for that. Not now, but I want to like that. That's very unique. I've never seen that colour. Even in
Maybe they need it for breeding, innit? Maybe it's
even in Dapitan.
Chris.
I'm gonna miss them now a little bit.
Sorry, we'll be there very soon. I have to go, guys, to the mountain. Yes, we're almost there now anyway, guys. You know, so they're gonna ride on the next journey. Okay. Maybe they're not secure with something.
What the hell? That's her brother, second brother.
Hey, bro.
What's that? 4 5.
Sure. Right, guys, we have just arrived at the mountain. We are finally at our destination. And it's time to meet all the mountain people. Mr. Mountain, happy birthday, man. Your birthday today?
Thank you.
Thank you, man. Salamat. Salamat po. Just arrived, yes, on the beautiful mountain. There's a birthday party over there. And these are the bike guys that come up here, you know, the mountain riders. These are the mountain riders over here. Yeah, what's up? Yes, yes. Yeah, these are the mountain riders. Hello, good evening. Good evening. Yeah, these guys are so professional. I don't know how they manage to ride on these mountain guys, you know. They ride on these mountains. I don't know how they do it. Yes, it's another mountain rider. Where's his bike? This is machine over here. They're so good, guys. You need to come and experience this in real life. Riding up the mountain, guys. This is so amazing. I'm so amazed about this.
Live.
Yeah? 5. You bring 5 people, yeah? Wow, he's gonna bring it. So guys, he's gonna be bringing 5 people.
It's me, 6.
6, and him 6 of trees. Yeah. So never. So never falling off the bike. Never falling. Wow. Never falling, guys. Let's get ready to take 5 people. Yes, he's going to be collecting 5 people. Yes, get ready to take 5 people. Literally 5 people down here. Oh, yeah. So 5.
To my vlog is
Yeah, 5, my God.
Gerard.
Oh my God, there's a lot of people, man.
Because the shack is
Long walk.
Which one? Big shack.
That's the one.
Yes, guys, so you can see here in the mountain, you know, over there we see those little things that make with bow, those little strange looking houses. They're houses with roosters. Yes, so the mountain here is so nice, guys. You know, these bike riders, they're so professional, guys, so they know how to ride. They're calling me over there to do karaoke, but I'll go later. Oh look, oh, I meant to go to the house. It looked like it's too late. Everybody's coming back. I might as well just stop right here and wait for them. Really? Really and truly? They should have waited there. Wait there. I want to see the house. Yeah, are you gonna wait or I don't know? If they're walking towards me, might as well I just stop because. Hey, what's up? Yeah, the kids are also up on top of the mountain there. See, what is this one? This one house belongs to Jay Chris.
That's our house. They're repairing it.
That's your house, yeah?
Yeah.
That's nice, man.
It's not nice before, but now they are under repair. Look, that's the
How many
new-
years old? I said
It's under construction, isn't it? Like,
It's 40.
what, 30?
Okay, if you
I don't know why she told me that.
they're
That's not
supposed to
our house.
they're supposed to have flowers.
Yes. So this is the lifestyle here, guys, in the mountain. So this is very deep up in the mountain we are, guys. You know.
But it needs lots of time and money spent.
And most of the houses will be boat houses because it's not easy to bring cement and all the thing up here, you know. So that's why you're gonna get a lot of that. To maintain this type of life is amazing. So yes, I'd love to have a look inside that house, but right now I will not escalate it. Anyway, maybe tomorrow morning, guys.
That's what the kids all do. They all come.
Yeah. Yes, of course.
It's not easy though.
No, it's not easy.
Because you can slide and fall.
Yes. Climbing that is not easy.
Let's see if we can find more of the cute little plants that
There are lots of them about, you know.
I wish this one does it. This one be so cool if this did it.
It does it.
No, this one does it. I wish it did. That's the type of size I'm looking for.
I'm joking.
Love that to shrivel.
You know, even this as well, Chris. I even know this plant as well.
What's this plant? Looks like a moss or some Christmas tree or branch. Very unique. I love this. I've never seen that before. What the hell is
Oh yes, I know this
Looks
one.
like it belongs in the sea, doesn't it? Like a sea life.
Kind of like a seaweed plant,
Yeah.
you know. Yeah, I know this plant. I even know it as well.
And this as well. Very unique.
Yes. All of this. You see all these we're looking at here, I know every single one of them.
I wonder what their purpose
Well, so far I've not seen any.
It looks like it glows in the dark. It's got very strong colour.
Yes,
The way it's
but it doesn't glow in the dark though. You know, I know what they are, but
You
they
know what I
don't.
mean though? It looks very unique
Yes,
and
so bright. Yes, like they would like it to the unique, like it glow in the dark in the
Yeah,
night.
when you look at it, it really
All these
stands
bushes.
out compared to everything.
Yeah, but I know what they are though. I mean, these are just wild flowers, you know. They're flowers, but they are the wild ones, and they just look so beautiful.
Yeah.
Yes, it's really, really nice, you know. So I love it.
These are all hybrids, mixed up seeds, mixed with others.
Yes.
It's like they're being mixed up. They're not this.
And it's naturally, and everything naturally grows on. Yeah,
I like the way this hangs. It's got a very unique style.
yeah.
And this one, very beautiful. Look, it has all the colours.
Yes,
Yellow,
they're all wild
They
flowers.
have berries. Can you
Yes.
eat a berry?
No,
What happens? You get sick.
yes, there are some berries you can eat, but not this one.
You think you can't die though. You just get sick.
No, you're not gonna die. For sure, you're not die, but you can definitely get sick from it. Yeah. Probably even doing nothing, to be honest. I don't.
That one
Yeah,
is unique. It's got,
Yes.
Look, the flowers is growing right in the middle of the
Yeah.
bloody branch.
Yes.
Not at the top, right in the middle. Very weird.
sometimes I plant this even at my house as well, because they're wild flowers, you know.
I like all this wild stuff. It's different.
Yeah, it's all wild flowers. Yeah, they're real nice.
This one goes with the top.
Yes, I've not seen anything here that I don't recognize yet. So far, I'm seeing everything that I recognize.
But I can't find those little ones that close.
Yes, guys. So if you travel around the world, guys, you're from any third world country or second world country, and you have these in your countries, just drop your comments. Yeah, so,
There's pigs here before.
oh, there are pigs over this side before.
Pig was here. I don't know where they moved it. Very big pig with his babies.
Yeah.
Very big female pig.
Oh, I know. That's a guava tree there. That's a guava tree in front of you, Chris.
They can easily walk down these.
Yes, and this one here. That's definitely a guava tree. 100%.
Kids, they climbed this tree right to the top of that part.
Yes, they would. Yes.
And it looks like it's going to break, and it doesn't.
Yes, guys, it is a guava tree. 'Cause look, there's young ones on there, but they're not fully developed yet.
Yeah.
Yep, and they're 100% guava. Yes, they're a guava.
So small fruits.
No, but they grow a lot bigger than that. But these are just young guavas at the moment. Yeah, these are at this young age at the moment.
Triplets. I've
Yeah,
never seen triplets before until I came here.
really,
Yeah, not in real life.
really.
I never experienced identical triplets. And only twins I've seen many. But
Never been through.
triplets not easy to find. It's less.
Yeah, I find
it's even
triplets a
more
couple.
rare.
I experienced triplets.
Imagine
already.
quadruplets or quads. That's even more.
But once here in the Philippines, in Jamaica is 3 times, and in London 1 time. So a few
these are
times.
my first. And
But yeah, you're right. They don't come very common. You know, they're not common.
And they all sit together, all have the same expression, all look like they want chocolate, and I'm giving them some like 2 months
Yes,
ago.
yeah, triplets. You know. simple province life with ate, you know, right here chopping the boko here still, guys. You can see she got her Philippine style, she got her relaxed back style. Juicy right, guys, you know, it's really, really good price, you know, so come here to Marrakesh, guys. The square market is beautiful, guys. Oh, look at the size of them, you know? Yeah, look at the color. We got such amazing color in here. Look at that. Oh, ate masarap. Discover in the Philippines. This is a foreign American 5 Filipinos.
What a ham! Look at this video, is very nice.
Yes, but a lot of people are crazy about me in Morocco. But you know, they're so amazed about my height here in Philippines, guys. You know, so I'm very famous in this country.